welcome back our good friend. He is a lifestyle expert and one of our very good friends.
Food and lifestyle guru, Chadwick Boyd.
Cinco de Mayo is on Saturday this year, baby.
That's right,
I
and
know.
you are you're on fire. Is that right? Okay.
Yes, tableside flambe.
Hey everyone, I'm Chadwick Boyd.
And I'm Carla Hull.
And we are here at Williams-Sonoma Ponce City Market because it's
Biscuit
time!
So Chadwick, what advice do you have for these two?
Well, we are looking for the wow factor, y'all. You actually did my favorite combination, cranberry and pistachio. For me, the chandelier reminded me of Laura's eyes. The closer you got to them, you just wanted to just take it all in.
There's another standout who used plums in his crostata. And that's Chadwick Boyd. You are the winner, my friend.
Yes.
I call halibut the cauliflower of whitefish because it absorbs all of the flavor that you impart to it. So I am flipping over this.
You know what? You're killing me with these fish jokes.
I'm a good catch. There we go.
Yes, you are.
Everybody asks me my favorite thing to grill. Hands down, it's my salmon burgers. And my key ingredient is wild Alaska salmon.
Frozen blackberry fool. You'd be a fool not to make this.
Hey movie fans, I'm Chadwick Boyd with a special holiday edition of Real Food. I'm here in the kitchen with my good friend Molly Siegler from Whole
Hello.
Foods. Happy holidays.
And to you too.
So I have a rule, cheese in threes.
So you do a hard cheese, a mild cheese, and a soft cheese. Dude, yum. Grab that. You had me at hot honey. I thought we would.
Everybody just wants to go party at Chadwick's house.
That's right. Y'all come on.
Yeah.
I love to use cake stands and things that bring plates up. I think people use plates and it looks really flat. I go to the discount store and get cake stands and just have them available. It's just a plate sitting up a little higher.
All right, cheers, everyone.
This is Beverly, y'all. Give her a hand. All right.